Hey guys, meme coin is a concept. A coin that is not only fun and hilarious, but also has the potential to make you rich in a matter of days. A coin that is backed by a community of millions of meme lovers who are ready to support and promote it to the moon. This is not a joke. This is Turbo Meme Coin, the ultimate meme currency that basically was developed using GPT-4. In this video, I will show you how Turbo Meme Coin works, why it is so popular, and how you can join the movement and become a part of history. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain in a fun way. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comments section. Let's dive into the first project without further delays. What is a Turbo Meme Coin? Turbo Coin stands out as a groundbreaking meme coin, distinguished by its dynamic frog mascot. This venture began as a daring experiment aimed at forging a new path in the realm of cryptocurrency. The visionary behind the project read mankind, drawing inspiration from the potential of artificial intelligence and the increasing popularity of meme coins, posed an intriguing challenge to GPT-4 to conceive the next viral meme coin while adhering to a mere $69 budget. It is like any other meme coin, such as Dogecoin or Pepe Meme Coin. How Turbo Meme Coin was created? Rhett Mankind, a digital artist based in Australia, had an amazing idea to make the next big meme coin using the AI. Taking a groundbreaking approach, the project's founder made an extraordinary commitment to diligently adhere to every instruction provided by GPT-4 and comprehensively document the entire process. This unprecedented decision showcased the founder's dedication to transparency and thoroughness in exploring the potential of the project. And moreover, he did all this in a week's time. It was a step-by-step process, and what made it possible was the community. He would do voting on Twitter and would take action based on voting. For example, he asked GPT-4 to suggest some names he then posted on Twitter. The community decided on the name TurboToad. He did all this using a $20 subscription to GPT-4, and he personally invested a cheeky amount of $69 and turned it into a market cap of $77 million in just a couple of weeks. After deciding on the name using GPT-4's prompt and using Midjourney 5.1, the logo and the iconic Quantum Leap were generated. He asked the GPT-4 to write all the code and invested an additional $500 to launch the Turbo, but this project failed. He was about to quit, but his Twitter followers convinced him to try once more. He made some tweaks, and now the project was a success. Why you should buy Turbo Meme Coin? Turbo operates on a distinctive token economy model that sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies. With a total supply of 69 billion Turbo tokens, the distribution of these tokens has been carried out fairly. One notable aspect of Turbo is that it does not impose any taxes on transactions, providing a frictionless experience for users. Additionally, the contract has been transferred, ensuring the integrity and security of the token. These distinguishing features contribute to the unique nature of Turbo in the cryptocurrency landscape. Uses of Turbo Coin. Turbo is an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain, ensuring secure, transparent, and efficient transactions for its users. By leveraging the Ethereum network, Turbo benefits from the robustness and reliability of blockchain technology. As an ERC20 token, Turbo adheres to a widely adopted standard, enabling seamless integration with various Ethereum-based wallets and decentralized applications. The primary purpose of Turbo is to facilitate fair distribution and simplify transactions for token holders. This opens up possibilities for the integration of Turbo into various DeFi protocols and applications, expanding its utility and potential use cases within the Ethereum ecosystem. Pros and cons. Turbo Coin stands out with its unique token economy, tax-free transactions, and community-driven approach. Contract ownership has been transferred, ensuring transparency and fairness. However, as a meme coin, Turbo carries market volatility risks that investors should consider before investing. Turbo's price history. Turbo made its debut on May 4 as an alternative to Pepe meme coin. Despite a relatively stable start, the timing of its launch proved opportune, coinciding with Binance's announcement to list Pepe and Floki in its innovation zone on May 5. This news sparked excitement among meme coin enthusiasts, leading to Turbo's rapid surge from its initial price of $0.00064 to $0.003049 within just 48 hours. However, the meme coin market soon experienced a crash, causing a significant decline in prices for coins like Pepe, Floki, and Turbo. Turbo capitulated on May 9 around its May 4 support of around $0.00054, following which the price bounced. However, it remains to be seen if the bounce is a dead cat bounce or whether Turbo will retake its highs. The coin is currently down 77% from its highs 5 days ago, signaling many holders had low convictions and purchased it for short-term gains. Turbo's price prediction for 2023. Turbo coin emerged during the previous bull market in April 2021, quickly gaining recognition as a promising altcoin. It enjoyed a meteoric rise, capturing attention and achieving a significant price surge within a month of its launch. However, like many meme coins, it experienced a subsequent sharp decline and has struggled to regain its all-time high since then. Nevertheless, with the anticipated Bitcoin bull market on the horizon, Turbo coin has the potential to finish the year on a positive note. Taking this into account, our Turbo price prediction suggests a target price of $0.0028 by the end of 2023. It's important to note that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and actual prices may differ significantly from predictions. Investors should exercise caution and conduct their own research before making any investment decisions. Turbo's price prediction for 2025. Despite the statement in the Turbo white paper suggesting an absence of long-term plans, recent developments indicate otherwise. The Turbo Twitter account revealed plans to transfer control of the project to a council comprising 5 to 9 members. If this council proves effective and acts in the project's best interests, it could drive value for Turbo coin holders. Based on these factors, our Turbo price prediction estimates a potential rise to $0.0052 by the end of 2025. How to buy Turbo meme coin. Here's a brief guide on purchasing Turbo coin. 1. Find a reliable cryptocurrency exchange supporting Turbo coin. 2. Create an account, complete verification, and deposit funds, crypto or fiat. 3. Locate the Turbo coin trading pair Turbo/USDT on the exchange. 4. Place an order to buy Turbo coin, specifying the desired amount. 5. Wait for the transaction to be completed on the exchange. 6. Transfer your purchased Turbo coins to a secure wallet that supports Turbo coins. 7. Follow the wallet provider's instructions to store your Turbo coins securely. Remember to research and choose reputable exchanges, exercise caution, and understand the risks associated with cryptocurrency investments. So these were the projects that are going to accumulate before the next bull run, which is not so far. Do your research and choose which project you want to invest in. So here was all of it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.